Welcome back, traders. Today, we're combining smart money concepts with Real CDV Pro for perfect trade entries. Look at this classic smart money concept setup. We can clearly identify our break of structure here, price aggressively breaking through previous highs. This creates what we call inducement. Smart money is sweeping liquidity from retail traders who are buying at these highs. We can see our mitigated order blocks. These are previous supply zones that have already been tested and broken. But here's our key area, this unmitigated order block. This is a fresh institutional supply zone that hasn't been touched yet. Now, this looks like a textbook short setup, but here's the million-dollar question. How can we be absolutely certain this will work? How do we know we're not just guessing? Let me show you the game changer. This is where most traders fail. They're missing the institutional confirmation. Let me add our secret weapon, the Real CDV Pro indicator. I'm going to type Real Cumulative Delta in the TradingView search box and add it to our chart. This is about to change everything you think you know about trading. Here's the game changer. Look at what happened during that inducement phase. Price moved up aggressively. Retail traders are thinking breakout, let's buy. But look at our CDV candles, they barely moved. This is pure exhaustion. This is the smoking gun that confirms institutional manipulation. Smart money created this move to trap retail buyers at the top. When you see price moving but volume staying flat like this, it's a crystal clear signal that institutions are setting a trap. This divergence between price and volume is what separates profitable traders from the losing majority. Most traders only see the price. We see the institutional foot. Now comes the hard part for most traders, patience. We wait for price to return to our unmitigated order block. This is where discipline separates winners from losers. No FOMO, no revenge trading, just calculated patience as smart money reveals their next move. Boom, price hits our order block, and this is where Real CDV Pro shows its true power. Now, I'm going to shift from the 15-minute chart down to the 5-minute chart to get additional confirmation. Look at these institutional metrics on the 5-minute time frame. This is pure exhaustion. The buyers have completely run out of steam at this critical order block level. When you see weak flow persistence combined with strong institutional bearish positioning, it's like watching smart money load up for the next move. This isn't just technical analysis. This is reading the institutional order flow in real time. We can literally see the smart money positioning for the next move. When these metrics align with our SMC structure, it's not gambling, it's mathematical precision. With this level of confirmation from Real CDV Pro, I'm entering this sell order with absolute confidence. Let me break down what we've confirmed. SMC structure is broken. Check. Institutional manipulation confirmed through volume divergence. Check. Institutional pressure metrics are screaming bearish. Check. Volume exhaustion at our key level. Check. This isn't hope-based trading. This isn't gambling. This is calculated, institutional level precision. We're trading with the smart money, not against them. This system works on any time frame, any market, any trading style. When you combine smart money concepts with Real CDV Pro, you eliminate the guesswork. No more FOMO trades, no more emotional decisions. Just crystal clear institutional confirmation every single time. Real CDV Pro doesn't just improve your entries, it completely transforms your trading psychology. You'll stop trading like retail and start thinking like the institutions because you can actually see what they're doing. Are you ready to trade with institutional level confidence? Get Real CDV Pro today and join the smart money. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, Hit subscribe and the bell icon for more trading strategies. See you in the next video.